Okay, let's do this. Welcome back to my channel. To Kwanzaa, first of all, I have 104 subscribers. 104. Who are you people? Welcome and thank you. And we are watching another kemunto video because she's the best. And yes, inaitwa online grocery haul, kitchen organization, and mini fridge tour, living alone vlog. She's living alone now, I guess. It's been a while since I caught up, but we are here with Almo hapa. I think Andeka, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But let's watch kemunto bear living alone vlog. 16 minutes and it was posted 3 days ago. Let's watch this.
Another grocery haul. Hands are changing.
Okay, kwanza. Unaona hizo plates hapo juu? I have similar plates. Just a second, let check it. See, this looks like... Okay. Back to the video. Sorry about that. I'm sorry.
Just clean my hands first, then we come and talk.
Okay.
I feel better now.
I can subscribe.
I am healthy, I am wealthy, I'm the best version of myself. I am my own competition. This is watermelon juice, guys.
My self-affirmation things. Ebu, let's take that again.
This is the best, guys. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I'm the best version of myself. I am my own competition. This is watermelon juice, guys.
This is watermelon juice.
Okay, now, literally, let's just organize them. So, I love drinks.
She loves
So,
drinks.
I hope you can't hear the noises from back there.
I also hope you can't hear the noises from my chair. But if you can't, Poleni, I'm sorry, I can't actually switch chairs. Just a second. Let me just switch this. Here plastic doesn't creak. It's uncomfortable, but it's up.
Put you up. This is basically a grocery haul, grocery haul, kitchen organization, and I'll give you a fridge tour, guys. So this is basically
What's in the fridge?
$40, 40 USD dollars, 4,000 Kenyan shillings, can get you in Kenya. Okay. Just going to the elite supermarket. I went to Quickmart, guys.
Quickmart is elite.
What is it?
Side note, chicken wings are Quickmart. They're fire.
Expensive. Yeah, I've noticed that it's expensive than other supermarket. You guys, if you're watching from another country like America, Target is like Quickmart is like Target, okay? Yeah, so it's a supermarket. I don't know how you call yours, but I always see it first came. Yeah, so this also you'll get to know the life, reduced cost of living in Kenya, cost of living in Kenya, and basically living in Kenya on a budget. So I live alone, and this is one of the living alone series. So yeah, let me show you what we got from the store.
Let's see.
Without further ado.
Without further ado, let's do this.
Spinach, because you need spinach in your life. Red apples, because I want to make apple pie. Harpic, toilet cleaner. Eggs. Lettuce, because I'm gonna be doing a lettuce thing. pack. Ice cream, you buy one, you get one free. Sausage, yes, from Farmer's Choice. So, yeah, this one, I bought the safari package because they're 10 and because I live alone, so I don't think I need too much. Green tea.
Okay.
Sweet from
Kericho Gold.
From Kericho Gold. Santa Lucia, this is the best. This is the best spaghetti in town from this brand. This is the best pasta, yeah.
I agree.
From this brand.
I also partake of the Santa Lucia variety of pasta.
And get one free. Here it is. So it is 3. This will last me
This thing recording.
for a long time. Mayonnaise.
Let me confirm that it's recording, Kwanza. It is.
Mayonnaise because I'm gonna be making some really nice something. Detergent from they weigh for you. So my spices, I'm adding little by little. You can see that's my spice
The plates.
corner. So I'm adding little washusho. I'll get to know this one. So yeah, I'm adding little by little to my spice cabinet. So I need to buy containers for my spice. This is cinnamon ground and garlic powder, and it's really like I just wanted they weigh for you spice container. Need very soon. ASAP. I'm collecting. You guys, you know I love cooking. Oh, you don't know?
I know.
Margarine because I'm planning to do cooking. You can see cooking.
You're planning to cook.
Like that. Also bought butter. Also bought like butter and salted butter for cooking, baking. So these are baking stuff. Chicken wings because I'm planning to do chicken wing barbecue, like the one from Carrefour. Shout out to this person on the screen. It always
Mix soy sauce with vinegar and honey, add spices you would wish in that mix, or add spices you would wish in that mix. Then marinate, put the oven for 40 minutes. Okay.
like
Cool. Alan.
recipe to do chicken wings barbecue or something like that. So I bought 500 grams and it is $3.57. I'm gonna be doing cooking, lots of cooking. I love to cook. So and that's why I bought honey. Guys, if you know the best honey, let me know. I just bought the little one because I don't know. This one I bought so that I can do for this and the spices. Like you see, follow me for more of that. Natural yogurt. I wanted to buy Greek yogurt, but Greek yogurt, the price for Greek yogurt and this one is almost the same. So I just took this one because I want to make, yeah, this is why I bought this mint. I want to make pina colada. Pina colada mint, something. No,
I have no idea what that
this
is.
one is for pineapple. And
I'll
then
Google after
this
this.
is why I bought this to make some cocktail. If you've been seeing me making cocktail videos, if you want that video, I think I already have posted or it's on its way.
Okay.
So this one is kind of also milk to spice up this pina colada. Yeah, I want to make pina colada. This one, I bought this thing because when maybe I'm not feeling like today I'm really tired, I am so tired. So I bought this for a recipe for, can you guess?
Not really, no.
What I'm doing with this, with the pasta. I think it's called tuna pasta salad. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the ingredients,
I would not know if you're wrong or
forgetting
not.
anything. This is light tuna chunks in green, and then this is sweet corn. I know I could have bought another sweet corn, but this is when I'm like really tired or don't feel like cooking, so I can do like a really I mean. And then this is mayonnaise from Lindt. They had an offer also, so I saved some money on this. The reason why I don't save much grocery is because I want to shop the groceries from the farmers like the market itself. That's why I want to do that. Then this is coriander. I needed the coriander urgently because I keep on postponing when to go. Then cucumber. 3 pieces of cucumber because I have to make salad. Lettuce salad later on.
Okay.
Yeah. And then snack because it was on.
Wait, so I can just go to the supermarket shop and tell you what I've shopped, and that's a video. Tomorrow, if this video gets 1 like, I'll do a supermarket grocery haul video. Okay, if it gets 5 likes. If anybody will see. If you want to see it, comment. I'm going to let.
Offer for my guest is not for me. It is not for me. It's not cute. It's a smoothies. And then I bought also this when I want to, like, for breakfast. This and eggs for breakfast. Yeah, bacon. And the bacon, sometimes I crave bacon. Like, I think I'm about to start my periods. That's why I have this craving for meat.
There we have it, people.
And that's all, guys. That is all for my haul. And then this is Monster Energy drink because I forgot I'm not young anymore, so I decided to take alcohol, which I'll never do again. Like shots, I had 2 days. I'm still recovering, so I took I took chips, I took recommendation, I took Maramoja, and I just need a booster because I need to edit this video and post for you guys. So let me wash my hands because and taste. This is my first time tasting it, by the way.
Okay.
Let's see how it tastes. It's Monster Energy drink. High caffeine content. I'm not taking my caffeine, so I need this so that I can arrange my fridge and give you a fridge tour.
Fridge tour.
And kitchen organization. And my bed is here, guys. I'm so happy. If you haven't, that video is gonna be somewhere on the here or subscribe.
Okay, that got noises.
That's
a message you, to be honest. Jump cut.
It could be colder, but it's nice. Take your shamba.
Don't do that.
It's nice.
No.
I know it's not supposed to be put on the wine glass, but I wanted you to see the color.
Let us see wine glass. That's the problem. Is not wine glass. The problem is just glass in general. Just to drink it from the can.
So the fruits and the veggies is gonna be on another video, so watch out for that.
Manikasirisha. Kunywa from the can.
Let's organize my fridge, and then I'm gonna give you a tour baadaye. Okay?
Sawa tu.
So I'm gonna organize my pantry, you can say. Yeah. So just putting the long shelf things, I don't know.
Monkeys racing magic, say about the time things shawty. And you call me Charlie, why you don't give to shit? Monkeys racing magic, say about the party.
Okay, so I finished
Good.
organizing. Let me show you how it's looking right now. This is the freezer part. So I have ice cream. They had buy one get one free, so whenever I have visitors, this ice cream. And then this is my chicken wings, my wings. I don't know if I'm gonna be taking, or should I? Let me just put them there. And then here there's my bacon, my sausages, cucumber. Yeah, you don't know, cucumber, apples, and mint. Show you. So you can see I've put my water down there because it's actually cold where I live, so I don't need to drink cold water because I get lost. And then my spinach, veggies. I told you I'm gonna be buying more veggies from the local store. And then I've put my coriander, my carrots. Carrots I bought from the local market last week, and they've actually survived. And celery there, and my sweet potatoes are still here. Mint, apples. I'll stock more.
Fridge tour coming up tomorrow or sometime if anybody wants it. So,
But it is like fresh food. So yeah. Then my eggs are here because I'll be eating egg in the morning. My sauces. This is for I'm craving. Then my Monster, I didn't finish it. Yogurt, soy sauce. Thank you for the one who told me when I opened the soy sauce I should put here. Let me know about also these wasushos.
wait, now I can, it's there, it's,
About also these
talk it on.
wasu.
There it is, Worcestershire. Worcestershire. We'll figure that one out tomorrow also. Because I'm running out of time. Ama tufanye hivi. Let me cut this. And start again. I was running out of time. Quite the clock. I have now 19 minutes.
Shows.
We'll see.
Open it. Should I put it on the fridge or it's okay there? Let me know.
I think just put it on
Thank
the
you.
fridge.
And then my margarine for I'm doing baking this week, so stay tuned for that. I'll be doing more cooking videos as we go by. So yeah, that's my fridge tour organization.
Smiley
Then let's go
emoji,
here
please.
to my pantry.
The pantry.
This is my pantry.
That
I am
is
lucky to
in
have a
Kabati.
pantry. Okay, so my pantry is like that. Sweet corn. I'm making a tuna pasta salad today because it's easy and out of the way. I love this what's it called, pure oats gluten-free porridge. I love it so much. So much kabisa. My tea, some of my
Get
tea,
your gold.
and yeah, some little bit of snack. And my oil, I just put this cardboard here because I hate it when I'm using the oil and then we back here up. So at least when
That's
the fat on the
smart.
pan, throw it away. And then thank you also for someone who told me about the oven, to remove the oven trays and use one as I go. Then this thing is,
I don't have an oven, but that is useful information. Thank you, kemunto. I appreciate. Am I focused? I am focused.
the lifesaver. It keeps your things last longer. And that sugar for baking, eggs purpose for baking also, cowboy for chapatis. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys, I think that's it. And I've put here my, let me show you where I've put my poraros and
Poraros.
onions. I love onions. You see, this is a bag full of, like, I think I took, I don't
Focus.
know, like the onions and potatoes. So that's another video, guys. And yeah,
Of onions and potatoes.
I love this tray, dish drainer. I got it, let me put this thing here. So I got this dish drainer at Game Store. And those are my plates. I don't think I'm gonna be buying more plates. And it's just like that. So yeah. Okay, bye.
faster.
I hope you're enjoying this living
I
alone
am.
series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have so much coming to you guys, and I've put them on my living alone series right here. It's my first time living alone, and I'm so excited, as you can see.
Yes.
And yeah, my bed came. I hope you'll see that video before this one. But in case you see this one, just know the bed video is coming, and
There's a bed video
proud
coming.
of
A
it.
bed video.
Okay, bye bye. Subscribe here. Watch my playlist videos here. Bye.
Bye, kemunto. My heart is full. Now I can sleep a happy man because I have watched a kemunto bear fridge tour. Yeah, like, subscribe, and do all the things people do on YouTube videos if you want. Please do. Okay, no, don't. I don't know what I'm saying. Yes, so adios. Thank you to all 104 of you. Let's go for 106 because I set low goals for myself. Adios, people. Tuonane the next time.